Imagine this, you just enter a topic. An AI creates a full audiobook and publishes it on Spotify, Audible, and Apple Books. And you start earning passive income today? I'm reviewing AudioMint. Is it real or just hype? Hey guys, what's going on? Tahir here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a full AudioMint review. I'll walk you through all the features, show you exactly how it works, step by step, and also reveal some exclusive bonuses that I've put together to help you get the most out of this tool. What is AudioMint? AudioMint is an AI software that creates full audiobooks from a simple topic, generates human-like voice, narration, cover, description, and SEO tags, automatically publishes to platforms like Spotify and Audible. How it works: 3 steps. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Choose a niche: sleep, kids, romance, finance, etc. Step 2. Enter a topic. Step 3. Click Generate and Publish, and that's it. The AI does everything for you. AudioMint features 100% AI audiobook, creational, emotional, human-like voiceover, auto-publishing on 8 platforms now. Monthly fees, one-click system. The auto-publishing feature is the biggest selling point. Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to AudioMint down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. Now, these bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with AudioMint, so let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is AI Video Ads Mastery. This training shows you how to turn your AI-generated videos into high-converting ads that make money. You'll learn how to create engaging ads, write powerful scripts, and boost conversions, even as a beginner. Get instant access to this exclusive bonus when you purchase AudioMint through my link below. This is a limited time offer and won't be available anywhere else. Bonus #2. 200 plus AI video prompts pack. This powerful collection helps you create high videos in minutes, even if you have zero experience. Just copy, paste, and let AI do the work. No brainstorming, no struggle, no wasted time. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, ads, or faceless content, these proven prompts will give you instant ideas that actually work. To get this bonus completely free, just check the link in the description below and grab your copy now. Bonus number 3. Premium Video Editing. Assets pack. Get ready to use intros, transitions, overlays, and effects that instantly make your videos look professional. No editing skills needed, just drag, drop, and impress your audience. Add this to your toolkit and make every video stand out. To get this bonus completely free, just check the link in the description below and grab your copy now. Bonus number for the top 20 AI tools bundle for 2026. This hand-picked collection includes the best AI software for content creation, automation, and marketing, all with direct download links. Save time, boost productivity, and leverage AI to grow your business faster than ever. Grab your bundle now before it's gone. Bonus number 5. The Step-by-Step Money-Making Guide. This guide walks you through proven methods to earn online, from setting up your first project to scaling it into real income, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Just follow the steps and take action today. Don't miss this essential roadmap. Bonus number 6. All vendor bonuses. And finally, bonus number 6. All vendor bonuses. We've collected every extra bonus from the vendors so you get maximum value with your purchase. Everything is ready for you to use and implement, giving you an edge over everyone else. Check the description to claim all these exclusive bonuses now. Now let's return to member area at iHow's work.
What if you could press one button and wake up to passive income of $4,410 or even $8,700 from Spotify, Audible, and Apple Books without writing a single word like we did? I know that sounds impossible. I know you've heard big promises before, so let me just show you something real in the next 4 minutes, because what I'm about to reveal is already working for hundreds of people who had zero experience, zero equipment, and zero idea where to start. They just had a button. This button. Here's the thing nobody tells you about the audiobook market. It's generating $6.5 billion a year. Spotify is expanding audio content aggressively. Audible adds millions of new subscribers every quarter. Apple Books just opened their catalog wider than ever before. The platforms are hungry for content, but getting in? That was the problem. You needed a finished script, a professional narrator, recording equipment, mastering software. Then you had to manually format and upload to every platform separately. Most people spent months and thousands thousands of dollars just to publish one book. Most people gave up, and the ones who didn't, they were still leaving money on the table because they couldn't publish fast enough to keep up with demand. Until now. Introducing AudioMint, the world's first fully autonomous AI audiobook system. You type a topic or speak it out loud, and AudioMint writes the complete script, narrates it in a studio-quality human-like voice, adds background music and professional audio production, generates the cover art and platform metadata, and then publishes it automatically to Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, Kobo, Barnes & Noble, and more. All of it in under 60 seconds. No writing, no recording, no editing, no experience, no monthly fees, just one button. Let me paint you a picture of what this actually looks like. You open AudioMint, you choose a genre, let's say true crime. You type in a topic, one click, and then you watch. A title appears, chapters form, the script writes itself line by line, then a voice begins. Warm, paced, emotional, real. Music fades in, audio levels balance automatically. A cover generates, description written, keywords placed, platform formatting, done, upload begins. Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play, and before you've finished your coffee, you have a live, published, income-generating audiobook on every major platform on the planet. That's not a demo, that's AudioMint. Every single time. Marcus had zero experience, published his first audiobook in 12 minutes, got his first stream notification 2 hours later. Jordan published 11 audiobooks in 3 days, made $3,200 in month 1. Priya now offers audiobook production as a $1,500 agency service. Her cost? Essentially zero. These aren't outliers. This is what happens when the barrier disappears. When you get AudioMint today, you get the full audiobook income system, the AI book generation engine, across 16 genres with series builder included, the AI voice narration system, studio quality, emotion-controlled, multi-accent, the professional audio production suite, music, mastering, branding, export, the AI packaging engine, cover art, descriptions, metadata, all of it, the auto-publish system, one-click distribution to 10+ platforms. You get the trend discovery engine that tells you exactly what topics are hot right now. You get 16 preloaded genre markets, horror, romance, true crime, sleep stories, finance, children's books, and more, all pre-built with proven hooks and templates. You get the AI series builder so you can create multi-part audiobook catalog that compound your income over time. And you get a free commercial license, meaning everything you create, you own 100%. Sell it, stream it, keep every penny, plus 5 premium bonuses, including the Fast Start Playbook, Monetization Mastery Guide, Genre Domination Guide, Client Acquisition Pack, and Lifetime Updates. All of this for a single one-time payment. No subscriptions, no API costs, no recurring fees, ever. And if for any reason it doesn't work for you, just send us an email within 30 days. We'll refund every single cent. No questions, no fine print. All of the risk is on our shoulders. And here's what makes this truly unfair in your favor. Any audiobooks you create during those 30 days, yours. Any royalties those audiobooks earn, yours to keep, even if you refund. Guarantees like this don't come along every day. Neither do opportunities like this. We're that confident in what AudioMint delivers. Here's the truth. The audiobook market is wide open right now. The platforms want content. The listeners are there. The income is passive once it's published. The only thing that was missing was a way to get in without spending months and thousands of dollars to do it. That's what AudioMint solves. One button, unlimited audiobooks, published everywhere, earning always. Click the button below right now, before the one-time price disappears, because the next person who visits this page might see a monthly subscription instead. Don't let that be you. I'll see you on the inside. Let's build your audiobook empire.
So now, you can find the link right below this video description. And just to remind you, these bonuses are only available if you purchase AudioMint through my link, and they are available for a limited time only. So make sure you take action now. These bonuses are designed to help you get the most out of AudioMint, grow your business, and increase your conversions and sales. All you need to do is click the link in the description, go to the official sales page, complete your purchase, and you'll get instant access to all my exclusive bonuses. Now, let's quickly talk about the pricing of AudioMint. The front end starts at around $17 to $27, which is very affordable for beginners. After that, there are a few optional upgrades. You get the unlimited version to remove all limits, a done-for-you edition for ready-made setups, an automation upgrade to run everything on autopilot, a traffic version to get more exposure, and also agency and reseller licenses to make extra income. Overall, you can start small and scale as you grow. I personally recommend going with the unlimited version if you're serious about this. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.